His 8.
FYI guys, this is the horrible workout to do if you're ever hungover. Hey guys, it's Andre Sketa here for Grand AC. I just completed my 7th week on my weight loss challenge on Andres' Road to Sample Size. I don't know what I'm doing, which is actually a little exciting. And if you can actually explain to me and to the camera what we're going to do today.
Definitely. So today we're going to do a little plyo and a little HIIT program. So my company is called Burn It Off by Chrissy, and we literally do your own body weight.
Okay.
High intensity cardio.
Okay.
And we change it up from there. We go high intensity cardio, body weight, a couple weights, some tension bands, all the above.
So the more you weigh, I guess the workout's tougher.
A little harder. Let's rock it out the other way. Good, back in the middle.
Is there a lot of movement?
There's a ton of movement.
Okay.
So that big belly button is pushing all that's fine. Let's do 15 more. Ready?
How many?
15. Nice.
Got it.
Yeah. And it's gonna be really good. So you squeeze your butt. Like
we all have.
Yeah.
Got it. How many?
Let's go 30. 30!
You're f***ing insane.
4, 5, 6, 7, lower 8, 7, 9, 10 more. You got this one. Yes. You can do this.
If I was a trainer, I'd be the worst. I'd be like, hurry the up!
Keep those knees touchdown.
How many of these? 40 times. This is hard. I don't like to work out, period.
Okay.
I hate working out.
Okay.
It's dreadful to me. I'm fucking dead. I cannot wait to have a cocktail tonight, but just one.
Just one?
Yeah.
Tequila.
And then you cheat it with like Perrier
yes.
and lemons. Anyways, this workout's killer. Honestly, the toughest workout I've ever done. I've done everything not well, but this one, luckily I had her private. You can have her private too, either offline, I'm sure you can find all the information on the website, or online, wherever you are, home, traveling, this, that, and the other. This workout's a killer. I'm sure she also has the alternatives online also for travel if you don't have weights and all that stuff, but Poppy out.